Do you find your freshly washed towels still stink? Or right after the first use they start smelling like gym socks? In this video, we're going to show you how to remove mildew smell from towels. First, you want to soak your towels in a bucket. Add about 1/2 to 1 cup of distilled white vinegar and let it soak for at least an hour, or overnight for best results. The vinegar helps to break up mineral deposits and dissolves the buildup of body soils in your towels. After soaking, give the towels a quick rinse before tossing in the wash. Another culprit of smelly towels is using too much detergent. Modern washing machines are highly efficient, so a little goes a long way. Always make sure you dry towels immediately after washing, and only store your towels when they are completely dry. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.